Take a moment to arrive here, right where you are. Close your eyes and simply stop. You have just finished something, and before you launch into the next thing, before you check the next message, open the next tab, start the next task, I want you to take one complete breath. Because here's what most people do not realize. When we move from task to task without pausing, we carry the energy of everything we just did into everything we're about to do. The stress of the last call bleeds into the next one. The frustration of the last email colors the one we're about to write. A single conscious breath between tasks clears the slate. It tells your nervous system, that is complete. This is new. As you inhale, feel yourself fully finishing what has happened before this moment. Let it be done. And as you exhale, arrive fresh into what comes next. Clean, present, ready. One breath, that is all it takes to begin again. I'm sending you so much love.
Queen Carvania stood haloed by the morning sun. An army hung on her every word.
My champions, I have sold my chariot on Carvana. 'Twas a lovely SUV, an inexplicably queenly offer. They're even coming to the castle to collect it. Tonight, we feast! An offer you can feast on. Sell your car today on Carvana. Pickup fees may apply.